This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Helm. Excellent investment opportunity. Downstairs unit completely remodeled. Roof installed in 2018. Windows replaced in 2020. Front porch rebuilt and upgraded. Recently completed foundation and termite inspections. Upper unit has long-term tenant. Nice corner lot. Great location. Near bus line and convenient to NNSY, Naval Hospital and downtown. Hurry, don't miss out. Won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Helm at 757-481-8497.